guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig. I am recording in a new spot. I hope you guys like it. I was like filming my try-on in this hallway and I was really digging it, so I decided to film the rest of my video here. Plus, the chair that I have been sitting in to film in is actually Justin's chair for gaming, and he's tired of me bringing it upstairs. So everyone should follow me on Instagram and send Justin a message through me on Instagram and tell him like to get over it and that the chair needs to come back upstairs because y'all want it there. So y'all should do that. Anyways, I have multiple things to say at the beginning of this video. My hair is at an awkward length now. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I want to let it keep growing or if I want to cut it again. So let me know what you think. Also, I'm wearing the Disney Princess ColourPop collection. I'm absolutely in love. I think I'm gonna have to start doing my makeup every day because, oh my god, look at me. Like, look at my eyes. It's a little bit out there. I'm a little bit purple, but you know, it's a vibe and I'm feeling it. So now for the actual video. I'm sure y'all could tell from the title that this is a Trunk Club video, but if you couldn't, welcome. This is my Trunk Club unboxing. For those of you that don't know how Trunk Club works, you pay $25. A stylist picks out so many items for you. They send them to you in this huge box, which I'm not even going to show you. It's as big as me sitting down. It's like ginormous. This is what I hate about off-the-shoulder tops, but we're dealing with it. And I have this pile of clothes in front of me that, I'm going to be honest, most of them I want to keep, and I haven't even looked at the prices yet. So hopefully all goes well for me. But I have a bunch of clothes piled up here in front of me. I already took them out, tried them on. I haven't looked at the prices or anything like that yet, but this way when I hold them up, I can show you the try on and give you my real opinion of it tried on. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I actually need this. So first thing first is a Silica Free People pink shirt, and it is $68. I know exactly which shirt that is, and that price is very disappointing. It is this. We might just wear this up, okay? Because I'm going to be holding things up. It's going to keep going up. We might just wear it up. It's this shirt. It's this Free People pink, kind of low on your shoulder with this bow, kind of short, longer in the back than it is in the front. It looks like a pajama shirt if we're being honest, but it was so comfortable that I wanted it. I actually didn't find it very cute on. It was just extremely comfortable, so I wanted it, but seeing that it's $68, I will be sending this shirt back. Next, we have the Echo Collection high-rise skinny jeans, which are $110 and 100% not in my budget. So it's these just denim skinny jeans down here. They're obviously skinny down there. They're just a button fly. I mean, they're just a pair of Madewell jeans. They fit amazing. They were kind of long on the bottom and they were kind of loose on the bottom for skinny jeans. However, I was really liking them. Not for $110 though. For $110, I'd have to like them 110%. And I do not like them 110% because, like I said, I didn't really care for the fit around the ankle. It was just something I thought I could make it work if they were like a $60 pair of jeans, but they're not. So I will be sending these jeans back too. Music I don't listen to, and I don't want to get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over here. Those are two things I thought I was keeping, so this budget is getting better and better. Next, we have a plaid smocked off the shoulder for $68. I didn't like this shirt. It was this shirt. It just looks weird, not even on me. The shoulders are weird. As you can tell from this sweater, I'm not a big fan of the off the shoulder. I didn't really care for the pattern. I didn't really care for like this material. Like, it's just weird and not practical to me, and I'll not be keeping this shirt, but I wasn't planning on keeping this shirt, so that does not help with my budget at all. I ask myself, what am I doing here? Next, we have a connector knit crop Raw Edge Jeans Sanctuary Blue for $99. Let's see. I think those are these. They are these. So these are $99. Good thing I wasn't planning on keeping these either. They're just these denim jeans, but then they flare out at the bottom right here. I actually really liked the way the whole pair of jeans fit me until it got to this flare. I wish this flare would have been like right at my ankle, but instead it was like mid-calf. And I didn't really care for that. I would love to have a pair of these jeans trunk club, but longer so that the flare is at my ankle and the flare like kind of goes over my shoe. That's more what I'm looking for in a flare pair of jeans. So if you can find that, please let me know. But as for these, I didn't really care for just where the flare hit me. But as for like sanctuary denim, like all together, I think that these felt amazing. I think that the fit until the flare was amazing, and I would love to try more of their jeans. Next we have flat wood hoop earrings. I'm gonna be honest, where are they at? I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even try these on because they didn't look cute. I like gold hoops, like I'm all for gold hoop, but then they have this wood in front of them, or inside of them, and I just wasn't a fan. They're by the brand BP. They're just from Nordstrom, obviously. And they're $14, which is actually pretty reasonable for jewelry that they have sent me. Maybe I'll try them on just to make sure I don't like them, but they feel heavy, and I really don't think I like the wood inside of them. Like, I think I'm more of just like a basic hoop kind of girl. Oh, I think they actually do look kind of cute. Well, I still think like I'm just more of a basic hoop kind of girl. These are kind of like heavy, and I'm not about that life. So can we make my fashion lightweight, please? Thank you. I will be sending these earrings back. Hopefully now we can start getting into some stuff that I'm actually keeping, and this can be like a haul. Next we have a Peyton convertible fox leather tote for $79. Okay, unfortunately we're still not at stuff I'm keeping, but the bag they're talking about is this one. Don't get me wrong, I think it's a cute bag. I don't think it's worth $77. If I'm gonna spend $77, like, I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and get like a Michael Kors or something. It does have like this little like pouch inside of it, which I would carry, but I can't just take the little pouch. So I will be sending this bag back. It's just not my style. I think it's too long. Like, I like over the body straps. I like being able to throw my bag on and go, because I'm like, if I have to set my bag down somewhere to pay, I'm gonna forget it. I'm gonna forget it. I'm gonna leave it there. I am queen of that. Like, I have to have the over the shoulder strap because I'm queen of, I'm like, oh, this bag is so cute, I'm gonna carry it. And we go to the mall and I go shopping and I go to pay and I set it down and I walk away and I'm all over the mall and I don't even realize I don't have it until I have to pay for something else. So unfortunately, I'll also be sending this bag back. Now can we all just sit here and be like, please can this be something she keeps next? Please be something she keeps next. Please be something she keeps next. Next, we have a transfer stitch turtleneck sweater by the brand Lee, and it is $69. It says it's brown, so I think it's this one. This one is more of a burnt orange than a brown to me, but it's nice and cozy and it's cropped, and I really like the color. I really like the warmth. I think this would be a great layering piece with a pair of high-waisted jeans, and I am intending on keeping this sweater. We have a novelty stitch cardigan in the color pink, and it is $79. Okay, this is getting expensive now. So this is the sweater. You'll be able to see it much better on the try-on portion, but it's just like this fuzzy pink. It's so soft. It feels like a blanket. Like, this is an amazing material sweater. I can't wait to wear this just like with leggings and a t-shirt. Like, this is so cozy, or you could layer it. I'm so excited to wear this sweater. I'll definitely be keeping it. I'll probably sleep in it. I'll probably use it as a pillow. Like, I probably won't take this sweater off. I can't wait to wear this out. I can't wait for y'all to see my pictures on Instagram. By the way, like I always say I'm gonna do better on Instagram and I never do. However, I have improved my Insta stories from like 0 to 100 real quick. So if y'all would go follow me on Instagram, my name is Katie Shindig. You might not get pictures very often, but you'll get Insta stories. So follow me. And I do plan on keeping this sweater. Next, we have the Fox Leather Moto Jackets, $98. This is not as expensive as I thought it was gonna be, but it is just a fox leather jacket, which means fake leather jacket. It has like these zippers all around it, so you can like separate it. I don't know why you'd want to separate it, but you can. It has like these little side pockets, which I really like. But I'm not keeping this jacket just because I already have a fake leather jacket that I actually like. This one doesn't have a hood, and the one that I have does have a hood, but the one that I have also has like fake fur inside of it, and it's really warm, and it's one of my favorite winter jackets. So I don't see any need to get another fake leather jacket, so I will be sending this one back. Next, we have the high-waist button-fly skinny ankle jeans for $78. So those are these black button-fly, you can tell I tried them on, skinny jeans. I have actually been looking for a pair of black skinny jeans for fall and winter. However, I don't really care for the button fly. I always think like, oh yeah, I'll deal with this. I'll wear these. And then I go to put on a pair of button fly jeans and I'm like, I'm not doing this. And I end up taking them to Plato's Closet and selling them. So I'm not going to be keeping these jeans. Besides, I didn't really like the way the bottom half of the leg fit me. I like the top half. I didn't care for the bottom half. You have to like a pair of jeans 110% to keep them. So I am going to be sending these jeans back.
And I can't wait so we can break apart to hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this. And I know you mean only.
Next we have the Lancaster booty for $99.95. They're these Steve Madden booties. I'm pretty sure that Trunk Club has sent me these before and I've sent them back, and they might have just been a different color. I just bought a bunch of boots from Just Fab and Shoe Dazzle. If you didn't see that video, I will have it linked at the end of this video, maybe up here in an information card. We'll see if I can actually figure out how to work those this time, but I'm going to be sending these back. They're just not worth the money in my opinion. You can get boots much cheaper that are about the same quality, so I am going to be sending these boots back. Last but not least, we have the Anna long crew neck sweater in the color mustard, and that is this sweater. I absolutely love it. It's a little bit longer, so now I will have a burnt orange sweater and a yellow sweater, perfect for fall and winter and layering and fall trips. I'm supposed to be going to the mountains soon. I'm supposed to be going to Savannah soon. I am so excited to pair these with the different things for those trips, and I will be keeping this sweater.
Somewhere with my people, we can kick it and just listen to some music with the message. And we'll discuss our big dreams, how we plan to take over the planet. So pardon my manners.
Okay guys, so that was my Trunk Club. I did film this a little bit different. I didn't make it quite like a big extravagant show, and I just kind of did me. Y'all seem to be really appreciating like seeing my personality a lot more, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Katie Shindig. Like I said, that is it for my Trunk Club video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to keep seeing me, please hit the subscribe button. Also, I don't really have my shit together, as y'all may have seen in my last few videos, so I don't really have a schedule. So it'd be great if you would hit the little notification bell so that you would get notified every time I upload a video, because that would help me so much. It would help you so much. You'd know when I actually uploaded. And that's all I have to say for right now. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.